Buying a condominium is one of the most common ways people enter the Chicago real estate market. And if you're thinking about buying a condo, understanding the process upfront can save you time, money, and stress. Chicago offers thousands of condo options, from downtown high-rises to residential neighborhoods, and many buyers choose condos because they offer lower entry prices compared to houses, a walkable urban lifestyle, access to building amenities, and easier maintenance. But buying a condo is different from buying a house because you're also buying into a homeowner association, so it's important to understand how the process works. The first step is getting mortgage pre-approval, which helps you understand your budget, monthly payments, and strengthens your offer in a competitive market. The next step is working with a Chicago realtor who can help you identify the right neighborhoods, schedule showings, evaluate buildings, and negotiate on your behalf. When you find a property, one of the most important parts is evaluating the condo building itself, including HOA fees, financial reserves, maintenance history, and association rules, because these factors can affect both your costs and long-term value. Once everything checks out, your realtor will help you submit an offer and negotiate terms like price, inspection requests, and closing timeline. After your offer is accepted, you'll go through inspection, finalize your mortgage, review legal documents, and complete the closing process to officially become the owner. Some of the most popular neighborhoods for condo buyers in Chicago include Portage Park, Jefferson Park, Belmont Cragin, and Dunning, all of which offer different price points and lifestyle options depending on your goals. Before buying, it's also important to review the financial health of the HOA, understand exactly what your monthly fees cover, and work with an experienced realtor who knows the Chicago condo market so you can avoid costly mistakes. If you're planning to buy a condo in Chicago and want help navigating the process, reach out Antonio Sarmiento. He'll help you get started with the next steps.